Okay. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Okay. Your name?
Aryan Ambira Patil.
Okay. And you're studying in which school?
University Public School.
Where is it located?
Borodi. Kagal.
Which district?
Kolhapur.
Achha, it's in Kolhapur.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the medium of instruction is in English.
English.
Okay. And right from first class onwards?
Huh?
Right from first class or
Yes, sir.
from fifth class? Okay.
First class.
Okay. And your father's name is Hambira Patil.
Yes, sir.
He was in the army. He's still serving or is retired?
He's retired, sir.
What regiment is he from?
15 Maratha. 15 Maratha.
15 Maratha. The
Light infantry.
15 Maratha Light Infantry.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so he's settled in Kolhapur now?
Yes, sir.
What is he doing now?
He is now in police force.
Do you not written that? You're ex-army, all right, but that he's in police. That is not.
Now,
He's presently serving in police. No?
police force. Yes, sir.
Where all did he serve when he was in the army?
In 2000 to 2023.
2023, he retired.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, did you go to his place where he was posted?
Yes, sir.
Where all?
Gujarat.
Which location in Gujarat?
Gandhinagar.
Achha, you went to Gandhinagar. So, what did you like about the army there?
Sir, I like their discipline
Uh-huh.
and their dealing routine.
So, your father was, what rank did he retire in?
Havaldar.
Havaldar. Okay. So, what was his appointment in the battalion?
He was first he was Sipai,
Uh-huh.
then another by posting he got Havaldar in Jammu Kashmir, Rajasthan,
Okay.
out of country also,
Out of country went where?
Africa.
Africa. Okay. And your mother is Deepali Patil.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what does she do?
She is housewife, but in free time she do tailoring.
Tailoring also.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
So who motivated you to join RMS?
my teacher and my elder brother
Where is your elder brother?
in Mumbai.
What is he?
He's second year of engineering in Sardar Patel Institute of Technology.
He's second year of engineering.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay. So if he has gone to engineering, why don't you go to engineering?
Sir, I don't like that engineering. I like
Acha.
the defense life.
You like defense. Okay. Now, how did you are located in Kolhapur, somewhere in Kolhapur, no?
Yes, sir.
So you are from ICANN Kolhapur or something?
Yes, sir.
You taken coaching there.
Yes.
How long?
1 year.
Where, in Kolhapur or in
Kolhapur.
Karad?
Kolhapur.
Kolhapur is also ICANN is there, and of course
Yes.
Karad also it is there.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, why do you want to join the army?
Sir, I want to join army to serve my nation, to
Hmm?
protect their border,
Hmm.
and to be a disciplined person.
But tell me, besides army, isn't there somebody else, some other professions also where you can serve? Say, let's say police,
Yes, sir.
let's say paramilitary forces,
Yes.
let us say even doctors.
Yes, sir.
Why army?
Sir, because I like army life.
Okay.
Because my father is in army.
You're from Kolhapur.
Yes, sir.
So Kolhapur has got a lot of ex-servicemen, retired and serving people.
Yes, sir.
By any chance you meet them?
Sir, I met my uncle. He was Subedar.
Uncle is from what regiment?
I don't know, sir. Sorry, sir.
Achha, but you meet him.
Yes.
Okay. So what has he told you about army?
He told his means Kargil war stories
Okay.
and life of his in 18
Okay.
years
You got 93% marks, which is very good.
in 7th class.
In which class?
7th,
Now you are, which class are you in now?
8th.
So
I am currently in 8th standard.
you're currently in 8th
8th
standard,
Yes, sir.
and now you're going to join the
RMS in 9th.
9th standard.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay. So you're a senior. Okay. So okay, you're in the 8th class. Okay. But good marks you got. Okay. So how many students were there in your class?
40 students, sir.
So in the 40 students, where were you located?
3rd place.
You're third place.
Yes, sir.
So the other two who are ahead of you,
Yes.
what career are they joining?
Sir, one is joining an army officer
Uh-huh.
and other is taking for doctor.
And out of a class of 40 students,
Okay.
how many want to join army?
I think, sir, 15 to 20.
15 to 20.
Yes, sir.
So any teachers from your school who motivated you to join armed forces?
Sir, my math, sir.
Your maths sir.
Yes, sir.
But he's ex-serviceman or he's
No.
He's not ex-serviceman,
No.
but he told you about army.
Yes.
Okay. Your hobbies are reading, etc.
Yes.
So what reading do you do?
Mythological books, sir, like Mahabharata, Ramayana. I
Okay.
want to start now Bhagavad Gita, but I didn't start it.
Okay, Bhagavad Gita is a philosophy.
Yes.
Maybe it's too early to talk about it right now. There's small things. I mean, translations you possibly can read, but not everything.
Yes.
Okay. So now tell me, ki, this RMS, there are 100 children who have been called.
Huh.
Out of that, only 30 are going to get selected.
Yes, sir.
That means 70 will not get selected.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you think you'll come in first 30?
Yes, sir.
Are you confident?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But there are, you are the, I think, 7th or 8th I'm interviewing right now. One girl who came, she's a very small looking girl. She's very good.
Yes.
So if I have option between selecting between her and you, I'll select her.
Okay.
So is that right?
That's yours, sir. You're taking our interview.
What you have to understand, it's a meritocracy. So anybody who's better will get selected, and everybody can't get selected simply because those many vacancies are not available.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now suppose you don't get selected for RMS.
Yes, sir.
Then what will you do?
Sir, I will practice hard for Indian and IMA in 12th standard.
How? Matlab by staying in your school or somewhere else you want to go?
Somewhere else.
Okay. Have you heard of SPI?
HPI. No, sir. Sorry, sir.
You find out.
Yes, okay, sir. I will find out.
If at all you don't get,
Yes, sir.
SPI is one of the best institutions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For going to NDA, but
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Okay. Now suppose when you go to RMS, what kind of a life you'll have to lead there?
Sir, I want to officer like qualities from there, and I want to like a disciplined life.
Will you be able to stay away from your parents?
Yes, sir.
You will be.
I am from 6th standard. I was away from parents. 6, 7, 8.
So
3 years.
last 3 years you've been out of your parents' house.
Yes, sir.
So what are the intention of parents when they sent you to a boarding school?
They tell me if your dream is to become an army officer, then you will become. I will don't.
Or they thought they were fed up with you. You're not getting up early. You're eating too much of noodles.
No, sir.
You don't eat noodles.
No, I don't like it.
You play computer games.
No.
You don't study.
So I study.
I study.
in home.
Okay, so they sent you not because you're not wanted in the house, but because they wanted you to improve.
Improve, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you improved?
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you this question. You are studying in a normal school and then you went to a boarding school.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between a normal school where you go from home and when you go from when you are in a boarding school?
Sir, in normal school, I think there is some there is some low discipline, and there is I'm going home, then I'll take phone. That's why I come to boarding school. There is full busy schedule, and today I am that person that I can achieve anything. Like
Okay.
that person.
Now, who's come with you here when you came for the interview?
Father.
Your father is in the army and presently is in police also, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And your mother, she didn't come.
No.
And how did you come?
By train, sir.
By train. You came from Kolhapur, no?
Yes, sir.
You came by train. And at what time you reached here?
17. Morning 7.
Morning 7 o'clock you reached.
Yes, sir.
Where did you have your breakfast?
Sir, I have breakfast only there, cafe.
In the cafe only.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to go for interview where?
Belgaum.
So how will you plan your move to Belgaum?
Sir, I will give
What date is your interview?
27th of Feb.
27. So today we are at 18. That means there are about 9 days.
9 days, yes, sir.
So you'll what time is the interview?
Sir, 10 or 11.
So 10 o'clock. You'll reach by 9 o'clock, is it?
Yes, sir.
Is it yes, sir, or is no, sir?
Yes, sir.
No, it's wrong.
Sir, I will reach there at 9 o'clock.
Now suppose if you reach 1 day earlier,
Huh.
what's the advantage?
Sir, I will know their environment also there. Something there.
My recommendation is you reach a day earlier so that you get time to settle down
Yes.
and are able to focus only on the interview.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Acha. Now tell me, you said your hobby is reading books.
Yes, sir.
What books do you read?
So Mahabharata and Ramayana is my finish.
Mahabharata and Ramayana is okay, but now what you have to understand is when you give your hobbies, since you want to join armed forces, you should also have seen something with regard to armed forces.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, be it movies, be it YouTube movies, be it books, etc.
Yes, sir.
So, have you read a book on Operation Sindoor?
Sir, I was listening now.
You're listening, you're seeing YouTube, etc. You must have seen some. What happened? What is Operation Sindoor?
It was for the destroying the army base of terrorist base of Pakistan.
Okay. So, what did Indian Army do in the Operation Sindoor?
They destroyed the base by aircraft.
Okay. So, what did your father speak to you about Operation Sindoor?
No, sir.
Then, who spoke to you?
My friend.
Your friends.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, Operation Sindoor was the latest operation which Indian Army has done.
Yes,
So
sir.
you should know more about it. How
Okay, sir.
the Air Force functions, how the Navy functioned.
Yes.
Of course, major role was by Army,
Yeah.
but how did they do there?
sir.
So was Operation Sindoor a success?
Yes, sir. It was successfully done.
Hmm?
Yes, it was successfully done, sir.
What are the weapons which were used in Operation Sindoor?
Sir, aircraft like Tejas
Hmm.
and sir.
Okay, that's not correct. But know a bit more.
Yes, sir.
A bit more.
Yes, sir.
You don't need to get into too much of details,
Yes, sir.
but you definitely need to know more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, you are written that games that you play,
It's cricket.
cricket.
Yes, sir.
Why not football? Why not boxing?
Sir, I play cricket because it is a teamwork game,
Hmm.
and I got strategy like leadership qualities. That's why I play cricket.
Okay. Instead of asking you a question, I'll give you an advice here.
Yes, sir.
If you have to join the armed forces, cricket is not a game which is very well played in the army.
Yes, sir.
They expect you to play troop games, meaning games like hockey and football and all,
Yes, sir.
not cricket. You'll find, if you ask your father,
Yes, sir.
which games do they play in the battalion,
Yes, sir.
he'll tell you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And you'll find cricket hardly they mention. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
my second last question. You said you've taken part in quiz
Quiz
competitions.
competition.
What quiz competition? Where? At what level?
At sir in school level only,
Okay.
in 6th and 7th standard.
What is the kind of quiz questions you're asked?
Sir, all subject questions.
ओके अभी आप मेरे से हिंदी में बात करिए
Yes,
कि
sir.
अगर आप आरएमएस के लिए सिलेक्ट होते हैं
हाँ.
तो आरएमएस में आपका काम और अच्छा करने के लिए वहां पे जाकर आप क्या क्या करेंगे?
सर, मैं उधर के रूल्स फॉलो करूंगा
हाँ जी.
और उधर जो भी स्टडी होगा वो मैं कंप्लीट करूंगा और हार्ड वर्क करूंगा.
ओके. क्या होता है कि हर एक स्कूल में कुछ अच्छे बच्चे होते,
यस सर.
कुछ अच्छे, कुछ रैगिंग करते हैं, उनको छोड़ दीजिए, बट कुछ अच्छे भी तो होते,
यस सर.
कुछ आपसे भी अच्छे होंगे,
यस सर.
ठीक है ना? तो अगर आपने किन के साथ दोस्ती करनी चाहिए कि जो आपसे अच्छे हैं या आपसे नीचे है?
मुझसे अच्छे उनके साथ मुझे ये करना चाहिए.
अगर हो सके तो
यस सर.
ठीक है, वो आपसे दोस्ती करना चाहेंगे कि नहीं वो अलग बात है,
यस सर.
लेकिन यू शुड ऑलवेज बी मेक फ्रेंड्स विद पीपल हु आर बेटर देन यू.
यस सर.
क्यों?
सर, आई विल लर्न थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर आल्सो.
ओके. और आपको अभी आपकी वीक पॉइंट्स पता है?
यस सर.
क्या वीक पॉइंट्स है
सर,
आपके?
आई हैव लो पेशेंस,
Low
but I will
patience.
trying to, by meditating, I will increase my patience level.
ओके. लो पेशेंस का मतलब क्या है?
Means I can't sit at place for
यू कैन
hour.
सेट.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
for hour. have
तो
for
पढ़ाई
hour.
तो आप खड़े होकर कर नहीं सकते हैं,
No sir.
है ना? तो आपको एनीवे मेन चीज क्या है कि आरएमएस आपको प्रिपेयर करेगी एनडीए के लिए.
Yes sir.
तो एनडीए के लिए किस प्रकार की प्रिपरेशन होती है?
Oh, is for officers.
उनको जो एग्जाम होती है,
Yes sir.
किस प्रकार से एग्जाम ली जाती है?
For physical and written sir.
देयर इज नो फिजिकल इन एनडीए. ओके. एनडीए का सबसे पहले रिटन होता है.
Yes sir.
अगर आप रिटन में पास हो जाते हो, देन यू कॉल्ड फॉर द
Interview.
इंटरव्यू, एंड इंटरव्यू इज कॉल्ड एसएसबी,
Yes sir.
सर्विसेज सिलेक्शन बोर्ड इंटरव्यू. अभी आप ये पढ़िए एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज दिस बुक ऑल अबाउट.
Yes sir.
रीड दिस बुक
Loudly.
loudly.
National bestseller. Dr. CDR N.K. Natarajan. SSB interview. The complete guide. Simplifying all the steps. Screening test, psychological test, group testing, interview, conference proceeding with dynamic topic, service related information, geopolitics, national issues.
So what is this book all about?
Sir, it is practice for SSB interview.
Acha, it's for practicing for SSB.
Yes, sir.
Okay, keep it down. So you obviously have to afterwards prepare for your written examination.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, which is like preparing for any examination, math, science, etc.
Yes,
And
sir.
second is prepare for SSB.
Yes, sir.
तो SSB के लिए आपको काफी लंबी तैयारी करनी पड़ती है, because you're already in 8th class.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? So barely in 2 years time or 3 years time you'll appear for NDA
Yes, sir.
if you get selected, and I'm sure you will.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So you have to start preparing for it in advance.
Yes, sir.
So how to prepare for it in advance is something that you need to find out.
Yes, sir.
And maybe I would advise to you to buy a book like this. It will give you some general guidelines.
Yes, sir.
Now, my second last question or last question.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you, you ask me a question. Up till now, I asked you a question.
Yes, sir.
So, what questions will you ask from me?
Sir, I want to ask for what things or what material I want to take for India preparation.
Okay. What should you study for India
NDA
examination?
for.
Okay.